The Caribbean is a region known for its paradise-like islands and vibrant culture. It encompasses a diverse array of land masses. But what exactly makes an island a Caribbean island? In this video, we will delve into the geographical intricacies of the Caribbean, shedding light on which islands fall within this region and categorizing them based on their location. So prepare to embark on a journey that unravels the distinct islands of the Caribbean and their relation to North and South America. The Caribbean islands are situated in the Caribbean Sea, which is part of the larger Atlantic Ocean. They form an archipelago stretching over 1 million square miles, encompassing the Greater Antilles, Lesser Antilles, and the Lucayan Archipelago. These islands are located southeast of the Gulf of Mexico and are bordered by Central and South America. Enjoy a tropical climate characterized by warm temperatures throughout the year. The region experiences a distinct wet and a dry season, with average temperatures ranging from 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 24 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. The combination of consistent warmth and ample sunshine contributes to the lush vegetation and stunning landscapes that are synonymous with the Caribbean. The islands of the Caribbean are a melting pot of different cultures and histories, influenced by European colonialism, African heritage, and indigenous traditions. Each island has its unique blend of customs, languages, music, and cuisine. The vibrant festivals such as Carnival showcase the cultural richness and diversity of the region. Greater Antilles, also known as the Caribbean Giants. The Greater Antilles are a group of large islands that hold a prominent place in the Caribbean. These islands are positioned in proximity to both North and South America. They include 1. Cuba, the largest island in the Caribbean, situated just south of Florida in the North Atlantic Ocean. 2. Hispaniola, shared by two countries, Haiti and the Dominican Republic. It lies east of Cuba and southeast of the Bahamas. 3. Jamaica, located south of Cuba and west of Hispaniola. This island is renowned for its vibrant culture and reggae music. 4. Puerto Rico, positioned east of the Dominican Republic and just north of the Lesser Antilles. It is an unincorporated territory of the United States. The Lesser Antilles, Island Gems of the Caribbean. The Lesser Antilles consist of two groups of islands that stretch in an arc from the Virgin Islands in the north to Trinidad and Tobago in the south. These islands are part of the Caribbean and can be further divided into the Leeward and Windward Islands. First, we take a look at the Leeward Islands, located in the northern part of the Lesser Antilles. The Leeward Islands include Anguilla, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Kitts and Nevis, Montserrat, Guadeloupe, Dominica, and Martinique. The Windward Islands, positioned in the southern part of the Lesser Antilles. The Windward Islands comprise St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada, and Barbados. The Lucayan Archipelago. The Northern Caribbean islands, the Lucayan Archipelago, lies in the northernmost part of the Caribbean, closer to North America. It encompasses the Bahamas, an archipelago consisting of over 700 islands and the Cays, located east of Florida. Turks and Caicos Islands, positioned southeast of the Bahamas, these islands are known for their stunning beaches and turquoise waters. These additional countries further exemplify the diverse range of destinations within the Caribbean region. From the cultural fusion of Belize to the captivating islands of Honduras, Costa Rica's Caribbean flavor, and Venezuela's coastal gems, they contribute to the multifaceted tapestry of the Caribbean. Guyana. Guyana is located on the northeastern coast of South America. While the majority of the country is situated on the South American continent, it does have a small portion of its coastline along the Caribbean Sea. This coastal region is considered part of the Caribbean due to its cultural and historical ties to the Caribbean islands, particularly through shared colonial influences. Colombia. Colombia is primarily situated on the northwestern edge of South America. It also has a significant Caribbean coastline. The northernmost region of Colombia, known as the Caribbean region, includes popular destinations such as Cartagena, Santa Marta, and the San Andres and Providencia Islands. These areas are undeniably part of the Caribbean due to their geographic proximity, cultural connections, and the tourism alignment with other Caribbean destinations. Mexico. Mexico, while primarily associated with its Pacific and Gulf of Mexico coastlines, does have a portion of its eastern coastline along the Caribbean Sea. The Yucatan Peninsula, which includes the popular tourist destinations of Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and Tulum, is part of Mexico and also falls within the Caribbean region. This area is known for its stunning beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant tourism industry that caters to Caribbean-loving travelers. Belize. Belize, located on the northeastern coast of Central America, has a significant Caribbean coastline. The country shares borders with Mexico and Guatemala and boasts stunning Caribbean beaches, crystal clear waters, and the Belize Barrier Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Honduras. Situated in Central America, Honduras has a portion of its northern coastline along the Caribbean Sea. The Bay Islands, including Roatan, Utila, and Guanaja, are renowned for their exceptional diving spots and the picturesque beaches. Costa Rica. While Costa Rica is primarily associated with its Pacific coastline, it also has a smaller Caribbean coastline on the eastern side of the country. The province of Limon, with its Afro-Caribbean influences and the charming coastal towns like Puerto Viejo, offers a distinct Caribbean experience. Venezuela. Located on the northern coast of South America, Venezuela has a significant Caribbean coastline. The country's coastal region, including popular destinations such as Margarita Island or the Las Roques Archipelago, is influenced by both Caribbean and Latin American cultures. It is important to note that while these countries have Caribbean coastlines, they also have significant mainland territories that are not considered part of the Caribbean region. However, their coastal areas along the Caribbean Sea offer unique experiences and a distinct blend of Caribbean influences. Understanding the geography and location of Caribbean islands is crucial for exploring and planning your tropical adventures. The Caribbean is a region comprising various island groups, including the Greater Antilles, Lesser Antilles, and the Lucayan Archipelago, as we saw above. By recognizing the location of each island, you can better appreciate the cultural diversity and the unique characteristics that make the Caribbean a captivating destination. So whether you're dreaming of the larger islands nestled between North and South America or the exquisite gems of the Lesser Antilles, get ready to embark on an unforgettable Caribbean experience. If you found this video interesting or informative, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anything I left out, please let me know in the comment section down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.